Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I'm gonna share something with you. I love to snack, so I am always looking for snacks that are a healthier option and something that's gonna really fuel my body and keep me going all day no matter what I'm doing. So I wanna show you this Warrior snack mix. This is from BeeFree. Let me tell you, this stuff is awesome. So not only does it taste delicious, which to me is most important, it is also really high quality snack. So this is made from really good, simple ingredients that are specifically in the product to fuel your body. So there are no preservatives, there's no sugar, they're also grain-free, gluten-free, and they are just an awesome way to get the energy that you need for whatever you are doing. So these are sweetened with honey, and they have the perfect amount of sweetness. The honey really comes through and it's really tasty. They're also a little bit chewy, a little bit crunchy, awesome texture to them. They are really great to just eat out of the bag. They are sort of like a little mini bar slash cluster. You can also break them up and put them on yogurt, which I've been doing as well, and it's really tasty that way. But however you eat them, they are just so good. I have also been eating them before or after a workout for a little energy boost. They're portable, you can bring the bag with you, and they're just awesome. So I have been super impressed with the BeeFree Warrior Snack Mix. It comes in a few other flavors as well, and the ones that I have tried are really delicious, but I am a big fan of chocolate, so this one is absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a healthier snack that you can keep on hand that is going to not only fuel you, but taste delicious and help you feel your best, I would definitely recommend this Warrior Snack Mix. That's my point of view.